Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about some important GK questions. So friends, watch this video till the end. First question is, in which year was the Cornwallis Code introduced? Answer, 1793 AD. Cornwallis Code was introduced in 1793. Next very important question. What is the name of the capital of Union Territory of Lakshadweep? Answer, Kavaratri. Kavaratri is the name of the capital of Union Territory Lakshadweep. Next very important question. Atrei River is located in which district of West Bengal? Answer, South Dinajpur. Atrei River is located in the district of South Dinajpur. Next. Which element helps in nitrogen fixation in soil? Answer, calcium. Calcium element helps in nitrogen fixation in soil. Next. What is constant in Boyle's formula? Answer, warmth. Warmth is constant in Boyle's formula. Next very important question. Attorney General is mentioned in how many articles of Indian Constitution? Answer, 76 number. Attorney General is mentioned in the article of 76. Next very important question. How many governors of RBI is Shaktikanta Das? Answer, 25th. 25th governor is Shaktikanta Das. Next. What is the main source of oxygen in the atmosphere? Answer, photosynthesis. What is the main source of oxygen in the atmosphere? Answer, photosynthesis. Next. In which center of Harappan civilization large baths were discovered? Answer, Mohenjo-daro. In which center of Harappan civilization large baths were discovered? Answer, Mohenjo-daro. Next. Which is the driest district of West Bengal? Answer, Purulia. Purulia is the driest district of West Bengal. Next. Which is the smallest state in India in terms of size? Answer, Goa. Goa is the smallest state in India in terms of size. Next. What is the junction of two neurons called? Answer, synapse. Synapse is the junction of two neurons. Next. What is Fermi unit used to measure? Answer, diameter of atom. What is Fermi unit used to measure? Answer, diameter of atom. Next. Fill in the blanks. A bill cannot become a law unless. Answer, the President of India agreed. A bill cannot become a law unless the President of India agreed. Next. When was the Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of or ICCI formed? Answer, in 1955. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation or ICICI formed. Answer, 1955. Next. Which metal causes Minamata disease? Answer mercury. Minamata disease causes by mercury. Next. Where did Bhagirathi and Olokananda meet together? Answer Devprayag. Bhagirathi and Olokananda meet together at Devprayag. Next. Where is the evidence of ancient permanent agriculture in the Indian subcontinent? Answer Mehergor. Where is the evidence of ancient permanent agriculture in the Indian subcontinent? Answer Mehergor. Next. Who is the author of Raitarangini? Answer Colhon. Colhon. Colhon is the author of Raitarangini. Next. Who lost the boxer? Answer Mir Qasim. Mir Qasim lost in the battle of Boxer. Friends, in this video I have already discussed 20 important GK questions. All questions are very much important for your any kind of competitive exam. I hope this video will help you to increase your knowledge. And friend, if you want to get another video, you can go to my channel. There you will get a playlist. From there you can practice any kind of interesting GK. And friend, if you want to get the notification of my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Thank you for watching my video.